taking it back, understanding, to recant, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in books, news, or even movies: to recant. It's not just about taking something back. It's a powerful action with serious implications. So, if you're ready to expand your vocabulary and learn about this intriguing expression, let's get started. When someone recants, they are formally withdrawing a statement or opinion they previously expressed, especially a publicly declared one. It's not just changing your mind, it's publicly admitting that your previous stance was wrong. The reasons for recanting can vary. It could be due to new evidence, personal reflection, or external pressure. The term recant comes from the Latin word recantare, which is a combination of the prefix re meaning back and cantare, meaning to sing. Interestingly, this originally meant to sing back or to re-chant, but over time, it evolved into the meaning we know today: to take back one's words or to disavow. Now, let's see how to use to recant in a sentence. After facing overwhelming evidence, the witness decided to recant their previous testimony. The scientist had to recant his theory when the peer review exposed significant errors. Due to public outcry, the politician felt compelled to recant her controversial statement. Notice that the phrase is often followed by an object, like statement, testimony, or theory, indicating what exactly is being taken back. Recanting can have significant consequences, especially in legal or public contexts. It can affect one's credibility, legal standing, and reputation. It's important to note that recanting is a serious action and is usually a result of serious contemplation or undeniable evidence. If you're looking for other words with similar meanings, consider the following synonyms: to retract, to disavow, to withdraw, to disclaim, to abjure. These synonyms can often be used interchangeably, but they might carry slightly different connotations depending on the context. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, to recant. It's a powerful action, signifying a major shift in opinion or stance. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of words and phrases, so keep practicing and adding to your vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!